Oktoberfest is a big celebration that started in Bavaria, present-day Germany, as part of a big royal wedding. But now it's ubiquitously spread all over the world, including our sunny island, Singapore. And during the month of September and October, you're going to be seeing lots of festivals featuring beer guzzling, parties and games all over the island. And we celebrate with you in moderation. However, in today's Oktoberfest Hair Talks by Terra Medical episode, we are going to be presenting to you 8 facts about consumption of alcohol in relation to your hair. Fact number 1. Alcohol inhibits your body's ability to absorb nutrients. It does so by a couple of mechanisms. Firstly, it inhibits the way digestive enzymes are secreted into your gut, preventing the breakdown of food particles into absorbable molecules. It also has toxic effects on the cell lining of your intestines, preventing the effective absorption of those smaller food molecules that you have broken down. That results in fewer nutrients being absorbed in your body to produce good quality hair. Fact number 2. We know that hair is made up of keratin, which is a type of protein that is found in your hair, in your nails, and on rhinoceros horns. Now, we've talked about the inhibition of the absorption of nutrients when you consume alcohol regularly and excessively. But alcohol also does one more thing, which is inhibit your body's ability to reprocess these simple protein building blocks called amino acids into functional keratin. As such, your hair may be growing out with dysfunctional keratin molecules, resulting in them looking fine, weak, prone to breakage, and unable to retain moisture. Fact number 3. It seems like I'm belaboring the point about nutrient absorption, but this is an important point. Now, alcohol also inhibits the way your body absorbs fats, and with that decrease in absorption of fats, you're actually decreasing the amount of fat-soluble vitamins that are absorbed into your body. These are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Now, vitamin D has been strongly associated with some types of hair loss. In fact, in female pattern hair loss, in chronic telogen effluvium, and in alopecia areata in ladies, we do see patients with levels of vitamin D that are lower than normal. Fact number 4. In previous episodes of Hair Talks by Terra Medical, we spoke about stress causing hair loss or hair shedding. Alcohol also causes a form of stress on your body called oxidative stress. The toxins in alcohol, namely acetaldehyde, will cause a form of oxidative stress inside the cell that can cause cell damage through DNA damage. And while alcohol might seem like a relaxant, it is actually causing internal stress in your body, which can lead to hair loss. Fact number 5. Alcohol damages your blood vessels. We know from some studies that alcohol intake in excessive levels or taking alcohol too regularly can cause an increase in heart attack risk, stroke risk, or damage to vessels in your legs or arms. While those conditions that we just mentioned are severe complications of alcohol consumption, the same mechanisms apply when alcohol damages blood vessels that supply the hair follicles. These mechanisms include the buildup of fatty plaques on the surface of the inside of the blood vessel. They also can cause restriction of the ability of the smooth muscle lining of the blood vessel to function normally. And last of all, they can affect the way your platelets function, overall causing a decrease in blood flow to the hair follicles. This again results in reduced nutrient flow to the hair follicles and prevents the removal of toxin buildup in the hair follicle structures. Fact number 6. We do get our patients to abstain from alcohol for 1 week prior to surgery and a week after. And the reason for that is because alcohol consumption actually inhibits the absorption of vitamin K, which is a vitamin responsible for clotting. If your body can't clot normally during the surgical procedure, you end up with more blood loss, prolonged surgical time, lower graft survivability, and possible bruising around the implanted areas across the hairline. Fact number 7. There are international guidelines as to how much alcohol someone should consume. For men, that's approximately 1 to 2 drinks a day, not exceeding 7 drinks per week. For ladies, that's less than 1 to a maximum of 1 drink per day, not exceeding 4 per week. Fact number 8. When we tell you 1 drink per day or 7 drinks per week, there are actually international guidelines to how much that is. When we look at the Australian guidelines, they tell you that 1 drink is equivalent to 10 grams of pure ethanol or alcohol. And when we look at the US guidelines, they tell you that it's 14 grams of pure ethanol. And what we wanted to show you today is how that would look like when you're ordering a drink at the bar. Bartender, please. So, 1 standard drink of whiskey would be equivalent to 30 mils. 1 standard drink of red or white wine would be equivalent to about 100 mils. Do note that the standard restaurant serving would be about 150 ml, so that's 1.5 drinks. 1 standard drink of beer would be equivalent to 285 ml. And that can is 330 ml of beer. In conclusion, today we've discussed about the different ways that alcohol consumption can affect your health and your hair. But I don't want to be a party pooper. From myself and the team at Terra, we would like to wish you all a very happy Oktoberfest. Cheers!